Welcome to Suruchi Agarwal's Consciousness Talk Show. Today we have a very special guest all the way from Slovenia, Nadia Ogrink. Welcome Nadia to my talk show.
Thank you so much, Suruchi, for inviting me. I'm really blessed to be here, so thank you so much.
Wow. So Nadia is a Access Consciousness Certified Facilitator. Now let's hear more about Nadia from her mouth itself.
Cool. So what should I tell you? It's like, or should I tell you more about Access Consciousness first?
No,
maybe?
First you tell about yourself.
Okay. So yeah, my name is Nadia Ogrink. I come from Slovenia and I'm Access Consciousness Certified Facilitator. Right now I am traveling the world and I teach Access classes everywhere I go. So I already facilitated 3 classes here in India, 1 in Mumbai and 2 here in Ahmedabad. So I really love my work and I would like that everyone know about those tools that we have available in our planet that we can explore and use to change and create everything we truly desire to create in our lives with so much ease and with so much fun. So I'm really grateful to be able to be here and let all of you know more about Access Consciousness.
Yeah, wow. So tell us, we are very eager to know what is Access Consciousness.
Okay, yeah, Access Consciousness is a set of tools and techniques that basically are designed to empower each one of us to know what we know and to trust ourselves more. Because nowadays there is a lot of fears going on, people don't trust themselves, like everybody is telling us what we should or shouldn't do. So with the tools of Access Consciousness, you will start recognizing your knowing and you will step out of the boxes where you're currently living in, where like if you perceive any limitation in any area of your life or something is not going the way you would like it to go. So Access offers you tools that you can change everything that maybe it seems unchangeable for you right now and that you can start enjoying your life and exploring and creating beyond your imagination, you know, so because everything is possible and if you are willing to go, Access will truly help you because those things are very simple, tools are very simple to use, everyone can use them and they are pure magic. So
wow.
Yeah.
how is better it can get. Wow, it's really cool. So tell me Nadia, how many classes have you facilitated so far?
Oh, so far I have facilitated more than 500 different workshops already.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Oh my God, that's
Yeah.
really cool. So can you tell more about these classes? What are these classes all about and what are these kinds of classes that you teach?
Yeah, now recently, I mean mostly I teach Access Foundation class, which is a 4-day advanced class, and I also teach a 3-day body class where we learn about bodies, where we build a greater connection with our bodies, and we learn some hands-on body processes that can unlock so many things inside our bodies, so our bodies can change with ease and people can release a lot of the things, and it's really potent, powerful, nurturing class. So yeah, basically now I'm teaching foundation classes and 3-day body classes, yeah.
Okay, so can you tell us more about foundation classes? What are these? I mean, what do you mean by foundation first off?
Cool. Yeah, foundation class, it's actually a 4-day class where we actually build a new foundation for our life. It's mostly theoretical class when we learn the tools how to create a different financial reality, because Access is empowering us that everyone can have money, like, and nobody teach us about money. They don't teach us about money in school. Nobody even talks about money. So from where we should learn? And Access is offering like tools which you can use in no matter what your current financial situation is. So it can change and you can have abundance and you can have ease with money, like, and no problems with money ever. So they're really powerful tools that you can apply in your everyday life and you can change your financial reality. So this is one of the topics of foundation class. And then we talk and explore a lot about relationship area, because this is also one of the craziest areas in the world. We are not empowered how to be ourselves, how to be you in relationship, and like what are the like qualities of a great relationship. So we also learn that and look at that and step out of those inside conflicts and complications and expectations, and you know, so it's really a totally different possibilities open up with all kinds of relationships, you know, with your parents, with your siblings, with your partner, with your children. So it's really about being a contribution to each other and still choosing what works for you inside your family. So we learn a lot of the things, we actually verbalize a lot of the things that are constantly going on in our relationships, but we are not even aware of them and they are blocking us. So Access is really like offering you to change all of that with ease, and people are laughing a lot in the classes and releasing a lot, so it's amazing to see. And then Foundation includes like you get a manual which is like around 100 different pages, and it's a lot of topics we explore differently. We have a conversations, I call them like conversations beyond this reality. Wow. We talk about everything in our life way differently, in like an opening way, so we can all explore this, and it's really, we offer a lot of the tools so people can actually get how to change what is not working for them. So we also talk a bit about spiritual world and about entities, which is energies around us, and this is really required because nobody is empowering us also about entities, and they can affect our health, they can affect our mental issues can be caused by entities. And like if we open ourselves to receiving from also these energies which doesn't have a bodies but are constantly present around us, like we can benefit so much, you know, we can have more ease with our bodies, our money flows can increase, you know, we can have more ease with choosing because nobody is affecting us. So it's really, and there is a lot of fear going on also about those ghosts, as we call them, or spiritual world from the movies, and those are all lies, you know, so nobody shouldn't be afraid of those things. We should actually include them, but like we have cut at our awareness so much. So this is also the topic we actually talk about. And then we talk about like creating 5 elements of intimacy, and we talk about all these different abuses that have actually been going on, so we can recognize them and choose something different. So it's all about having more choice in your own life when you can reach what is truly possible, not what they have maybe told you that it's only possible for you. So it's really like the class that it should be in school, you know, everybody should attend this class at least once in a lifetime, because there is really a life before and after foundation class. And when I first time took foundation class, like there is no way back. Like my life changed completely since then, and now it's been 8 years already, and like I would never imagine before that I would be able to create all of that what I'm creating now. And I'm in India teaching classes like by my age, and like it's really, I mean, I'm really grateful for those tools, and everybody can do it, you know, everybody can create the life beyond their dreams. So I really, my job is to bring these tools into as many hands as possible.
Wow, that's really amazing. So many things. So health, relationship. I hear about also ghost. Oh,
Yeah.
That is really interesting. So many things you cover in just 4 days in one of the workshop. It's amazing, really amazing.
Yes, it's really what can be done in only 4 days. It's really beyond our minds, you know. And also, as you mentioned, health. Like we talk a lot about our bodies, and we build a greater connection with our bodies. So it's really amazing what can we do and how much energetic work can we do and get through, and people process so much. And you know, I love Access classes because there is not a lot of suffering, there is no suffering, so actually change is possible with so much ease. And you know, we can create a change from the space of relaxation, and so fast. Yeah, truly, like when people come to foundation class, they look like one way, and after 4 days I see totally different person. You know, it's like they become more present, they get happier, and they are more connected to their bodies, they are more aware of their bodies. So of course we also talk about bodies, and we explore this topic because from my point of view and Access point of view, there is no such thing that cannot be changed in our bodies. And I have seen so many what we call maybe miracles we have created with bodies, and people choose to create with their bodies during the foundation class. So I'm really, really inspired and grateful for those tools and techniques that we have.
Wow, cool. So you talked about miracles. Can you give few examples of the miracles that you have
Yes,
seen?
I would love to. So, yeah, with this we learn in foundation class also 4 different body processes. These are actually hands-on body processes where we are not doing any healing, because if we decide there is something wrong with the body, so the body requires healing, we have already aligned and agree with this problem. So we are actually creating it in existence even more. So from our point of view, we don't work with bodies on the same way that maybe other modalities. Like, we have a point of view that there is nothing wrong with our bodies ever.
Oh.
If there is something going on with your body, is because you are not willing to be aware of something. It's always connected with your life, with what you are aware of, or your body is aware of, but you are not willing to be aware of. So if you are willing to be more aware with your body, like, you will never ever have any problems anymore. You know, it's like nothing just happens to your body, or your body never creates something against you. It's always connected to our life and what we are suppressing or trying to ignore, or like what are we making ourselves blind for. It's always connected, and our body will always show us this, because our bodies has actually awareness on its own, and they are more willing to be aware than us because they don't judge. You know, so it's really, our bodies are intelligent beyond this reality, and our mind would ever be able to understand them. It's like they are miraculous, and they are so willing to be aware, so they are never a wrongness, or they're definitely not a piece of meat, what is the point of view of a lot of people, but they're actually a tool that can help you to reach more awareness, because your body will always show you what is going on. And I can give you an example, because maybe you have never heard about the word awareness and what does it mean and how does it look like. So I can actually give you one example. Like, if you can now imagine that I take you to a walk for the main hospital in your city. So we just go for a 1-hour walk there. We will just walk, observe what is going on there, like what are people doing there. We will go and watch operations. So, like, how would you feel after 1 hour walking around hospital? Would you come out and be, yeah, I'm like super energized, I'm super happy, oh my God, I have so much energy? Would you be like that, Suruchi?
No, of course not. I'd be sad, and I would actually want to go to meet doctor.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, that's true. You know, you will maybe start feeling sick, also you, and maybe you will get a headache, or like definitely you will have less energy than if you would go for a walk into the forest. Yeah, why? Because like your body will be aware of so much energy, so much pain, so much fixed points of views. And because we don't give our bodies credit for that, we don't acknowledge that, like we don't admit that, like we create it as a physical intensity, which we call pain. But actually this was just a perception of our bodies. Your body was just aware of other people's bodies, other people's pains, other people's thoughts, points of views. So because we are not empowered that way to actually receive this awareness from our bodies, we will, like our body will perceive it and create it as a pain. So we'll think, oh, now my hand is hurting, so I need to go and see the doctor. And there is the catch, you know, a lot of the physical problems with your body that you have been unable to change, maybe they are not even yours. Your body is just aware of other people's bodies. Mm-hmm. So I can give you one simple tool now that maybe you can start using today, and maybe it can help you to change something with your body.
Wow, we love to get the tools, please.
Okay, so it's actually a very simple question. You can ask for any pain and intensity or intensity going on with your body. You can ask, who does this belong to? And you don't need to get an answer, yeah, this is from my mother or from this person or this person. But if you ask this question, like with all your energy and the whole your body, if you, for example, have a headache and you ask, okay, who does this belong to? Who does this belong to? Who does this belong to? Ask it and be really present. Ask it for 30 times. And if the energy lightens up, so the intensity the pain become less intense, this means that this was not even yours. You just pick it up from someone else, and you don't even know from where. It will just start releasing if you are willing to acknowledge that it was not yours. So actually we say that more than 98% of all thoughts, feelings and emotions doesn't belong to us. We are just picking them up from everywhere, you know.
Wow.
So if you're willing to be aware of that, you can be free of that. And this is like one thing that Access is inviting you and offering you the simple tools, for example, like this question and many others, that you can change that and have more ease and become more present with what is true for you, what is your reality and what is true for your body. So yeah, this is also what we learn in foundation
we
class.
really thank you for this wonderful tool. Who does this belong to? This is so simple. I mean, it sounds so simple.
Yeah, it sounds so simple, but a lot of the things sounds too simple to people to use it, you know. And if we don't use the tools, like we won't be able to change it. So don't use it. Maybe I will motivate you with that. If I say don't use it, then you will be maybe more interested to use it. So at least try, play for 3 days and see if something changes. You have nothing to lose actually. So who does this belong to? Yeah, and I said I will tell you some miracles that I have seen.
Yes.
Yeah, so like for example, one lady was able to change the cyst that she was having with the 1 hour body process that we learned in foundation class. So also women who were in menopause got period after the foundation class, which is kind of impossible for maybe some points of views. But yeah, because our bodies like start releasing, and you know, menopause is also just a point of view. Women in the south part of America don't even have it, because they haven't decided that they should limit their bodies by specific age. You know, these are all points of views that we somewhere align and agree, because we see in our parents or with our friends, and then we think we should also have it, and we create it. You know, for example, if you have read sometimes like a side effects of some medication that you took, you probably got them. You know why? Because you just align and agree with them, and you start creating them. For example, now when the virus is going on, for example.
Really deep.
Yeah, and if you like, if you isolate yourself and like you don't meet anyone for 3 months, but if you only watch TV and the news when they are informing you and giving you a lot of fear and stuff like that, then you will be able to create all those diseases and viruses without even, you know. Because your body is potent like that. So if you can create anything, you can also change it. So please don't align and agree with something that doesn't feel light for you, you know, because yeah, we are capable beyond our imagination. We can create anything like that, and we can also uncreate it. So this is the important thing.
Wow, that's really cool. I'm so inspired by Access Consciousness and you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Suruchi.
Okay, so you have been in India for last 1 month, I guess. So,
yes, 1 month.
So what have you been doing, and how do you like India?
I really like India. I'm like, when I travel the world right now, I am on my tour of traveling the world, and I teach Access classes on the way. So I already facilitated 3 workshops here in India.
Wow.
I was inspired by the willingness of participants to ask questions, to be so vulnerable, and how they were willing actually to look out of the box and change and receive. So yeah, I like India very much. I mean, I always look what can I receive from the country, what is great about the country, so I can take it home. And you know, when I travel, I also change a lot of points of views. For me, traveling is basically like personally growing, because I see I recognize the place from where I'm functioning from as Slovenian, but maybe I don't even like know what does this mean, but now I'm getting to know, you know, because each culture, each country has some points of views that we are not even recognizing, because we see them everywhere around. And when you come to a different country, like you see, okay, they have different beliefs, different points of views, and they are still, you know, this still works. So then you start questioning yourself more, you know. Yeah, so what I really like about India and Indians is like that you are so socializing, you are connecting a lot, like you are contributing to each other more, like you are really, you are not distant to each other, and this is like really what...
Yeah, we love to have parties and we love to enjoy life.
Yeah, that's what I really like. And you are like not so stressed. I mean, not so worried, maybe not even about money. Like there is not so much this, like people here are more relaxed and easygoing, and it's, yeah, it's also what I like. Yeah.
Wow, that's really nice. Thank you so much.
Thank
So,
you.
where are you going from here, and what are your plans? Like, you are traveling around the world, so you'll be facilitating many access classes all around the world. So, can you tell our viewers where you would be so that they can connect with you?
Yes, of course. They can always check also on my website and find me where I am. So it's www.mynameandsurname.com. So this is my website if you want to check. And I have a lot of classes also online. I have some of my own programs also available online that you can attend without even any prerequisites or without any need of knowing Access before. I always have some kind of like that. And right now, I mean, after India, I'm going to America, to New York, and
Wow.
then I have a class in Houston. And yeah, then I will be in this area in Mexico, and then I have a tour in Europe where I will have more 3-day body classes and foundations.
Cool. So thank you so much. And if anybody of you are looking forward to meet Nadia at any of her workshops, please join her. Go check her out in the website. And one last question: if you want to give one tool of consciousness, so we already got one and we are looking for more. So can
Okay.
you give one tool of consciousness to our viewers?
Yes, definitely. I would love to. So which one should I choose? There is so many amazing tools. Okay, let me get with one simple one that everybody can use. So it's called tool light and heavy. So everything that makes you feel light. For example, if you now think about, I don't know, changing your job or doing something and you perceive energetical lightness, you got excited, even if this is crazy for your mind or you don't know how you are going to do that or create that or stuff like that. But if there is a lightness showing up, if your body gets excited, or if you look at yourself in the mirror and you have a smile going on, like this means that this is light for you, this is your truth. And if you make this choice, you will create more of that lightness in the future. But on the other hand, everything that makes you feel heavy or you perceive this contraction energetically, you are like that even with your body, this is not what is true for you, so you shouldn't follow that. For example, if somebody is telling you something and you start feeling contracted and heavy, this is not your reality. This doesn't need to be true for you. So always check, is this light for me? Or is this heavy? Does this make me feel heavy? And that's why how you will build the muscle of your knowing, so you will be able to recognize what is true specifically for you, even if your truth is not the same as anybody else's truth. So my point of view is everyone should follow what is light for them. So yeah, there is where actually we can create our lives the way that they works for us. So yeah,
Wow,
it's light
thank
and
you
heavy.
so much, Nadia. Light and heavy, that is really cool. I would like to check out myself.
Yeah,
Thank you so
please
much,
do.
and thank you for coming to my show, Suruchi Agarwal's Consciousness Show. And we are really grateful and yeah, looking more to attend Nadia's classes.
Thank you so much. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for inviting me. It was such a pleasure. Thank you, Suruchi. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
And thank you, everyone. Bye bye.
Bye.